Morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine and having great time at your home. I'm your teacher Saharish and I'm back with the new lecture, and I hope you people are excited and ready for this lecture. So let's start our today's lecture. Kindly move to the next slide. Okay students, chapter number 4, subtraction within 10. First we will do the work on the textbook, that is your book 1, and the pages are 43. We will only do the work on one page, that is 43. After that we will move to the book 1A, and from the book 1A the pages are 55 and 56. Okay, first you have to open your textbook, your book 1, and kindly open the page number 43 and write the date at the top of the page. Okay students, I hope you all have opened this page 43, your textbook, book 1, and I hope you all have write the date on the top of the page. Okay, in the first picture there is a yellow bus, and there are some students there, those who are sitting in the bus, and some are stepping out from the bus. So let's read the question. How many children are left on the bus? Okay, they are asking about the left one. So now you have to tell me what is the first thing we have to do in every question. What was that? Yes, first we have to count that how many children are all together. Okay, let's count first those students who are sitting in the bus. First count them, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 students are in the bus. Now after 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, total students are 9. 6 are inside the bus and 3 are outside. So 6 and 3 makes 9. Total students are 9. Yes. Okay. So 9 minus 3. What is 9? 9 is the total number of children. Okay, minus 3. So students, tell me how many children are outside? 1, 2, 3. So we have to minus those who are outside. Total number of children is 9. We are subtracting those who are outside, which are 3. 9 minus 3. Now how many students are left inside the bus? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 students are inside the bus. So 6 children are left over there. Okay, so 9 number is the total number of children, minus 3. We subtracted 3 1 because they are not inside the bus, so we have to subtract them. 9 number is the total number of students, minus 3. 3 were outside, so 6 students are left in the bus. Okay, so dash children are left on the bus. How many? 6. Yes, your answer is right. Okay, now come down. On your left side there is written solve, and on your right side is written the practice. So we have to practice this part. Okay. Okay, there is a girl. Her name is Nora, and some of the balloons Nora is holding in her hand, and some are flying away. So let's read the question first. How many balloons does Nora have left? Okay, here we have to find the left one. How many balloons does Nora have? So first what we have to do? You have to tell me first that what we have to do first here. Yes, we have to count that how many balloons are all together first. Okay, so I am counting from Nora. Okay, those balloon Nora is holding, I am counting from Nora. Okay, let's count. One, two, three, four. Four balloons are with Nora. Okay, now we have to count those balloons who are flying away. After four, what comes? Yes, five. Five, six, seven. Okay, four balloons Nora is holding in her hand and three balloons are flying away. So total number of balloon is seven. Total number of balloon is seven minus. Okay, we have to minus those balloons who fly away, which are one, two, three. Yes, write three in the second block. 7 is the total number of the balloons. Now 3 balloons are flying away. Now how many balloons does Nora have left? Yes, we have to count first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balloons. Yes, write 4 in the third block. Okay, now come down. Nora has dash balloons left. How many balloons? 4. Yes, write 4 again here. Grade 1, I repeat. First, there are 7 balloons altogether. Then 3 balloons fly away, so we have to subtract them. After minusing, subtracting the 3, 4 balloons are left. Okay, now come down. Let's move to the next question. Okay, now there are some eggs. Few are in proper condition and some eggs are cracked. So first we have to count all eggs all together. How many eggs are there all together? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many eggs are there all together? 9. Okay, write 9 in the first block. Okay, obviously we have to minus those eggs who are cracked. Okay, so on your right side there are some eggs which are cracked. So how many eggs are cracked? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 eggs are cracked or broke, whatever you can say. Okay, so you have to write 4 over here. Okay, now how many eggs are in proper condition? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 eggs are left. Write 5 in the third block. So dash eggs are left. How many? 5. Write 5 here. Okay, the total number of eggs are 9. Okay, 4 were cracked. So the left one eggs are 5. Okay, 5 eggs are left. So kindly move to the next slide. Students, you can tally and recheck your answers from here. So kindly, after checking your answers, move to the next slide. Students, I hope you all have opened your book 1A and you have opened your page 55. Kindly write the date on the top of the page. After that, kindly move to the question number C. There are some frogs in the first picture. Can you see them? Yes, some are sitting on the lily pads and some are in jumping condition. So let's read our question first. They are dash frogs. So yes, what we have to do, we have to count all frogs all together. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, how many frogs are there all together? 7. So write 7 in the first block. Come down. Okay. Dash frogs jump off the lily pads. How many frogs are jumping? One, two, three. Yes, write three here. Okay. Okay, total frogs are seven. Three were jumping. So how many frogs are sitting on the lily pads? One, two, three, four. Yes, four are left. You're right. Okay. Now, students, you can see in the third line the three blocks are given. What we have to do here in the first block, you all know we have to write the total number of the given object. Okay, so there are total frogs are seven. Okay, total frogs are seven. Three were jumping, so we have to minus them. Write three in the second block. Okay. Now, how many frogs are sitting on the lily pads? One, two, three, four. Yes, we have to write four in the third block. Now come to the third line. There are dash frogs left on the lily pads. How many? You all know that? Four. Yes, right. Write four here. Okay, I repeat again. In the first block, you have to write the total number of the given object, whether it's a bird or animal or some kind of a toy or any stuff. Okay, so here the total number of object is frog. Okay, so I mean to say the total number of frog is 7. So you have to write the total number of frog in the first block, that is 7. Okay, so in the second block you always have to write in the subtraction question the subtracted object. So here they're asking you have to tell us how many frogs are sitting on the lily pads, how many frogs are jumping. So those who are jumping, we have to subtract them. Okay, so how many frogs are jumping? Three. Yes, that's why we write 3 in the second block. And the third block, we have to write those frogs which are sitting in the proper condition on the lily pads, which are 4. So that means there are 4 frogs left on the lily pads. Right. Okay, I hope you all get this question. Now come down to the question number D. There are dash ducks. Okay, first what we have to do? We have to count all ducks all together. Yes, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many ducks are there all together? 8. Yes. Okay, write 8 in the first block. Okay. Okay, class, there are some ducks who are sitting on the ground and some ducks are in the lake. Yes, that the black shade you can see on the screen, that is a lake. Okay? Okay, dash ducks are on the ground. How many ducks are on the ground? 1, 2, 3. Yes, write 3. 3 ducks are on the ground. Okay, in first block we write the total number of ducks, which is 8. Okay, and in the second line they are asking about the ducks, those who are on the ground. Dash ducks are on the ground. How many ducks are on the ground? Yes, 3. Write 3 in the second line. Again, there are 3 blocks are given. What we have to do, class? Tell me. In the first block, what we have to write? The total number of ducks. Yes, which is 8. Yes, write 8 in the first block. Okay, minus. In the second line, what they're asking? Okay, they're asking about those ducks who are on the ground. How many ducks are on the ground? Three. Yes, right. Three in this block. Okay. So now tell me how many ducks are in the lake? Let's count. One, two, three, four, five. Five ducks are in the lake. Yes. So write in the third block those ducks in the lake, which are five. Yes. Okay. Three ducks are on the ground. Five ducks are in the lake. Yes. Okay. In the third line, what they're asking? They're asking dash ducks are in the lake. You have to tell me how many? Five. Yes, right, five here. Okay, I repeat. In your third line, there are three blocks. What you have to write over here, do not get confused. It's very easy. You all know that in the first block, always we have to write the total number of given object. Here we have ducks, and the total number of ducks are what? 8. Yes, right. That's why we write 8 in the first block. Then we have to minus those ducks which are on the ground. The number of the ducks which are on the ground is 3. Right. Then we have 5 ducks left inside the lake. Yes. So the answer is dash ducks are in the lake. How many? 5. Yes, you are right. Students, kindly move to the next slide. Students, you can tally, recheck your answers from this slide. After that, kindly move to the next slide. Students, I hope you all have opened page number 56. Kindly write the date on the top of the page. Question number E. There are dash apples altogether. Okay. How many apples are altogether? Let's count. First, we'll count those apples which are in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are in the box. And how many are outside? 7, 8. Okay. 6 apples are inside the box and 2 apples are outside. Okay. So, how many apples are there altogether? 8. Very good. Let's count them once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 apples altogether. Can you write 8 in the first block, class? Thank you. Now come to the second line. Dash apples are outside the box. How many apples are outside? 2. Very good. Write 2 over here. Okay, again the 3 boxes are given. I know you all know what we have to do here. In the first block, we have to write the total number of apples, which is 8. Yes, write 8 in the first block. Okay, and we have to minus those apples which are outside. And what is the number of outside apples? 2. Okay, write 2. 8 in the first block, 2 in the second block. Okay, now tell me how many apples are left in the tray? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, write 6 in the third block. Okay, now come down. There are dash apples in the box. How many apples are in the box? 6. Let's write 6 here. Okay, 8 apples are all together. 2 apples are outside. And 6 apples are in the box. Good. Now come down class. Question number F. Oh, there are some cupcakes. Okay. There are dash cupcakes in all. Okay, how many cups are there? To the total number of cups you have to tell me. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many cupcakes are there altogether? 9. Right, 9 in the first block. Dash cupcakes have a cherry each. Oh yes. Students, can you notice one thing? There are few cupcakes with the cherries, and there are like some cupcakes without cherries. Yes. On your right side, the cupcakes are those which do not have cherries on their top. Yes. Okay. So second line is dash cupcakes have a cherry each. How many cupcakes have cherries? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many cupcakes have cherries? Yes, 6. Write 6 here. Very good. Now again, 3 blocks. What we have to write? Yes, the total number of the cupcakes, which is 9. Write 9 in the first block. Okay, and we have to minus here those those cupcakes which have cherries. Yes. Now tell me how many cupcakes have cherries? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 cupcakes have cherries. Okay, write 6 in the second block. Okay, in the third block we have to write those cups who do not have the cherries. Okay, how many are they? Let's count. 1, 2, 3 on your right side. There are 3 cupcakes which do not have cherries. Okay, total number of cupcakes is 9. 6 cupcakes have cherries and 3 do not have cherries. Okay, now let's read the third line. Dash cupcakes do not have cherries. How many cupcakes do not have cherries, class? 3. Yes, right. I repeat it again for you, class. The total number of cupcakes is 9. 6 cupcakes got the cherries, and the 3 cupcakes on your right side are those which do not have cherries. Okay, so kindly move to the next slide. Students, you can tally your answers from here, and after that kindly move to the next slide. So much students, thank you so much. Inshallah, I'll see you in the next lecture. Until Allah Hafiz.